In part 5 video of our series on vocabulary improvement, we studied words with the root logos meaning science or study. The parts of the human body like organs, muscles, tissues etc. are also required to be studied. So in this video let's look at words with the suffix LOGY connected with the human body. Oh wait, we are also going to have a pop quiz at the end of the video. So keep watching. Let's start. Gynecology. Gyne means female and logy means study. Hence gynecology is the branch of medical science which deals with diseases and conditions of the female reproductive system. So what is the study of male health, particularly relating to the problems of the male reproductive system called andrology? Andro means male and logy is study. Next is hematology. Hematology is the science or study of blood and blood diseases. Hemo is a Greek root meaning blood.
Odontology. Odontology is the study dealing with the structure, development, and abnormalities of the teeth.
And last but certainly not the least, otology. Otology is the science that deals with the ear and its diseases. Now, are you ready for the quiz? You have 5 seconds to answer each question. Let's go. What is the study of the heart and related diseases called? Cardiology. Next, what is the study of the skin and its diseases called? Dermatology. What is the study of diseases of the stomach and intestines called? Gastroenterology. What is the study of nerves and their diseases called? Neurology. What is the study of the eyes and its diseases called? Ophthalmology. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any suggestions regarding the words you want to learn or have difficulty in understanding, please write to me in the comment section below.